In this lesson, I want to explain mark menu or mark tool. It does not important that this green area was the window. If you are in a, if you mouse in a window, its active window is that. Okay. We want to mark some polygons to, for example, I want to know this UV polygon here is corresponding to which real polygon in 3D model. So I need to mark that. For marking, you have to click on G on your keyboard. G, okay? G on your keyboard. When you click on a G, a menu will be open here, and after that, with another shortcut, you can execute a command. If you want to mark a lot of polygons together, you can LMB, left mouse button, click and drag. As you can see, those polygons that interact with or in the box will be marked. It's green, it means it's marked. As you can see, it's showing a 3D window that we can understanding that those polygons are here exactly. If you want to unmark them, G again, and in this time, right click and drag. Unmark them. G again. You can, for facing 100 degrees or facing 180 degrees, it needs to be in a 3D. So exit the menu. If you in a J click anywhere, it's exit. Going mouse over 3D view and hit G. When you are in 3D view, the G works in your 3D. G. Facing, for example, I want to understand you that when we have a small F or big F, caps lock F, it means shift F. Okay, in a UV layout we have this kind of the tools: small F, big F, caps lock F, shift F. Okay, shift F, it select the polygon that has 180 degrees from the camera curve. It's very complex. I don't use that, but it's there. For unmarking G, or in any window, it's not important. Unmark all U. Okay, I use a lot this command. I want to paint for mark. G and G again for mark. Holding your G and just paint. You don't need to be click, just paint. Holding your G and drag your mouse. It's painting the polygon that you want. Or for example, the painting here again. G again. And if you want to unmark, for example, this area again, shift G and paint. Big caps lock G and release that. Again G. You can hide. This is the most important part of the mark. You can hide them. For example, I want to see the inside of that handle. For unmarking GU, I want to mark those. G and drag. For hiding, again G to bring the G menu and H. As you can see, you can hide area and see it. Okay, because of that we hide them. Oh, that's right. Because of that we hide them, we have to go in a hide menu. Press H, I will explain in the next lesson. H, U, unhide. That's very simple. The shortcuts in a UV layout is very simple because it is exactly the first letter of each English command. Going to the UV, G. As you can see, if you mouse over any window, the G will be open there. Okay. Another thing is pin. I will explain more about the pin, but when you mark some polygon, you can hit P, and as you can see, the pin them. For example, if I hit F again, as you can see, a whole UV polygon will be changed except those marked pin. They pin their point exactly the place that they are. But you can move them. It's not important. But when you execute a F flattens or another comment, it will be pinned in its position. If you want to unpin them, G Shift P, as you can see, for unpin, caps lock P, Shift P, and unpin them. G again. If you want to swap, for example, I want to mark all of the polygon except that, you can S swap them. As you can see, all of the other polygon will be marked except that polygon that I marked already before. GU for unmarked them. G, and I use a lot of G and GU for unmarked. You can hit equal or negative in your keyboard for growing mark. G, paint for growing that, G again, and press equal or negative button in your keyboard to shrink it. This is G. And another interesting thing is focus on market. For example, going to the G in this video, for example, I mark this area here, G mark. Oh, that's very big. GU, I mark this polygon. For example, I'm here. If you hit G and home key on your keyboard, it's bringing you exactly over that marked area, and you can rotate around that. This command will be executed in a 3D view. It's very interesting. Or if you want to exit the mark menu, hit enter or click anywhere aboard. Okay, this is mark. We use it a lot. GU, G, hold G and mark. GU. So you have to use the most important shortcut for your workflow if you want. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.